ರಾಕೇಶ್ 4 ಭಾಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Rakesh speaks 4 languages. Rakesh speaks 4 languages. Rakesh speaks 4 languages.
ನೀನು ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದೇ?
Can you come with me? Can you come with me? Can you come with me?
ನಾವು 5 ಭಾಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡಬಹುದು.
We can speak 5 languages. We can speak 5 languages. We can speak 5 languages.
ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಡ.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಮಂತ್ರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thanks for your invitation. Thanks for your invitation. Thanks for your invitation.
ಆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಯಾರು?
Who is that man? Who is that man? Who is that man?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕಿ.
Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Please say it again. Please say it again. Please say it again.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ.
I am your friend. I am your friend. I am your friend.
ಈ ಸೀಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆಯೇ?
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಠಡಿಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆಯೇ?
Do you have rooms available? Do you have rooms available? Do you have rooms available?
ನಾನು ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ.
I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು 2 ಬೆಕ್ಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ.
My daughter has 2 cats. My daughter has 2 cats. My daughter has 2 cats.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I understand you. I understand you. I understand you.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಯಾರು?
Who is your father? Who is your father? Who is your father?
ನನಗೆ ಇಂದು ಸಭೆ ಇದೆ.
I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today.
ಪರಿಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Reduce the volume. Reduce the volume. Reduce the volume.
ದಿನಾಂಕವನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಡಿ.
Remember the date. Remember the date. Remember the date.
ನೀನು ಈಗ ಹೊರಡುವೆಯಾ?
Are you going now? Are you going now? Are you going now?
ನಾವು ಭೇಟಿಯಾದ ನಂತರ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸಮಯವಾಗಿದೆ.
It's been a long time since we met. It's been a long time since we met. It's been a long time since we met.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ.
Please write it down. Please write it down. Please write it down.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು?
How much is this? How much is this? How much is this?
ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ನೆರೆಯವನು.
He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತೀರಾ?
Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live?
ಪೊಲೀಸರನ್ನು ಕರೆ.
Call the police. Call the police. Call the police.
ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ನೀವು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಿದೆಯೇ?
Are you surprised to see me? Are you surprised to see me? Are you surprised to see me?
ನನಗೆ 3 ನಾಯಿಗಳಿವೆ.
I have 3 dogs. I have 3 dogs. I have 3 dogs.
ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದವಲ್ಲ.
This is not the correct word. This is not the correct word. This is not the correct word.
ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲೇ?
Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you?
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
ನನಗೆ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದೆ.
I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty.
ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
We have some guests at home. We have some guests at home. We have some guests at home.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ನಾನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I am glad to see you. I am glad to see you. I am glad to see you.
ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಔಷಧಾಲಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy?
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I have a lot of friends here. I have a lot of friends here. I have a lot of friends here.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I am fine. I am fine. I am fine.
ಅವರು ಹಾಲು ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಖರೀದಿಸಿದರು.
They bought milk and bread. They bought milk and bread. They bought milk and bread.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲಿರಾ?
Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name?
ನನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಕಾರು ಇದೆ.
I have a car. I have a car. I have a car.
ಅವರನ್ನು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Meet them in person. Meet them in person. Meet them in person.
ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
ನೀವು ಮೂರನೇ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Did you read the third book? Did you read the third book? Did you read the third book?
ಅವನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
He cannot see us. He cannot see us. He cannot see us.
ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೃತಜ್ಞನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I'm very grateful to you. I'm very grateful to you. I'm very grateful to you.